Welcome to our countertop ice maker showdown. Today we're comparing two popular models, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Both machines promise quick ice production, but they have different features and price points. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. The SMUG countertop ice maker is priced at just $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for efficient ice production. In contrast, the Igloo model comes in at $94, which is a significant increase for similar daily output. If you're looking for value, the SMUG model clearly stands out. When it comes to speed, the SMUG countertop ice maker produces 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, making it one of the fastest options available. On the other hand, the Igloo model takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cubes. For those who need ice quickly, the SMUG model is the clear winner. The SMUG countertop ice maker features a convenient carrying handle, making it easy to transport for parties or camping trips. In contrast, the Igloo model boasts a sleek stainless steel design that fits well in modern kitchens but lacks a handle, which may limit its portability. Depending on your needs, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the SMUG and Igloo countertop ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The SMUG model offers faster ice production and a lower price, while the Igloo model provides a stylish design and compact footprint. Depending on your priorities, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.